Hello, so welcome to Dynamics today. Okay, so today I'm here with a glad news that we know that there are many students who wish to clear the UGC NET examination. So some of them cannot afford to take classes through various coaching centers, and also some might not be okay with the timing, right? So recently we received a lot of requests about the coaching. So, considering all of them, that is, who cannot afford by paying a lot of money in the coaching centers, and also to the one who don't have the time. Okay, so for considering all the requests, we are planning to undergo a crash course. That is a 1 month complete crash course in order to prepare for the UGC NET examination. Okay, so we are planning to undergo a 1 month complete crash course for paper code 017, that is for management paper. So the medium of this crash course will be in English so that everyone can understand this. Okay, so the medium of the crash course will be in English, and we are heading forward to undergo a 1 month crash course. So this will be 1 month crash course for paper code 017, that is for management. Right. So we have come up with this scheme that is because we received a lot of requests regarding this crash course. So we thought, why don't we consider their request, right? Because there are many students who really wish to clear the UGC NET examination. So we thought we should consider their request and we should definitely go for this 1 month crash course. Okay. So as I said we are heading to do a 1 month complete crash course, so wherein we provide all the expected important objective questions, right? So we are focusing on the all expected objective questions, that is in the form of MCQs, multiple choice questions we will be providing. Okay, and also we will do the previous year paper discussions will be conducted so that you will understand the theme, the what everything you get more clear while understanding the paper discussions. Through the paper discussions you can understand everything, and along with that we also provide what the video lectures also will be providing to you so that it will be it will easy for you to understand. So only highlighting the what the important points, and that lecture notes will be provided to you, and we will highlight the important points, the crucial important points will be highlighted, and apart from that all the important objective questions will also be given to you. Likewise we will make you to do all the questions. Likewise a complete crash course will be provided. Okay, so all the expected questions, all the expected important points, everything will be highlighted in this 1 month crash course, so which will be easy for you to understand, because we know that the exam is being conducted on the December, right? So we have only 1 month, right? So now it's time for you to focus on the most highlighted important points. Instead of learning all the things, it's very important for you to understand the most important points, right? So you have only 1 month left, so you need to concentrate on the most important, most expected questions. So we are providing you all the expected important objective questions, and we will provide you the lecture notes which highlights the important points, right? So with the dynamic study is here to inform you all. We are here to inform you gladly that regarding the crash course that we are offering for all the NET aspirants. Okay, so let's see the things that we are including under this 1 month crash course. That is, definitely we will be this course is for a 1 month. Yes, definitely it's a 1 month crash course, and we are focusing on the crucial topics, that is all the important topics will be highlighted, and we are focusing on the crucial topics, right? And the discussion of the previous year papers will be there, and also focusing on the expected objective questions. Instead of learning all the questions, please learn the expected objective questions. So we are focusing in this 1 month crash course, we are focusing on the expected objective questions. Okay, and you will have connection with faculty also, and it's actually a smart approach. Why? Because it's a 1 month crash course, and we are focusing on the crucial topics, and all the important highlighted topics will be given to you, and we are focusing on the previous year paper, and also the important is that all the expected objective questions we are focusing. Okay, so it's absolutely a smart approach, and you will also have a doubt clearing session where you will have a connection with faculty, right? So why wait? You can join today itself for this complete 1 month crash course. Okay, so the last date for the registration it's up to 31st October 2019. And if you're willing to join, the joining details is knowledgeworld141@gmail.com. You can send a mail and you can ask your questions, or if you have any queries, you can just mail through this email ID. And the important thing is that, apart from that, the most important thing is the course fee. That is, we are offering this course. The fee is just 1,000 rupees. Okay, so the course fee is just 1,000 rupees. That is, you all know that in the centers, in the coaching centers, everything, they are asking more than 25 plus. Okay, 25,000 plus they are asking. So the course fee for this crash course, that is for 1 month crash course, including all the smart approach, important MCQs, previous year paper discussion, doubt discussions, and also videos also will be provided, lecture notes will be also be provided. So altogether the course fee is rupees 1,000. Okay, so this is all about today's. So if you're really wishing or willing to be a part of this, the last date for registration is up to 31st October. Thank you.